We've kind of taken all the grievances and the frustrations with the process from the past as we've done this over the years, and tried to combine all of our fixes and our band-aids that we've developed over the years into one system and software. Whenever I'm doing an onboarding with a client, the number one thing that I say differentiates our software from others is the permissions that are allowed within it. Inside of our software, you can have every single organization that is part of the process inside looking at the exact same data. So there's no more, with older systems that we've used, it was kind of an all or nothing. Like you either had permission or you didn't. And with this, you're able to much more granularly go through and pick out the information that they're able to see. So for a co-op, they get to see everything. But for an attacher, they don't need to be able to see all the poll information or anything like that. So we're able to parse that information out and give permission to certain people, which allows them to see everything that they need to be able to see, but none of the stuff that they don't.
A lot of joint use projects, if we talk about one service in particular, have been managed like on a spreadsheet. So what happens though is that when there's all these different players involved in it, their one source of truth at that time is a spreadsheet, but you can't keep that thing updated with all the work that's going on. ELUME allows that to be tracked automatically. And now, let's say you want to look at all your permits on a map. You can't really do that with a spreadsheet, right? But you can within ELUME, because we can roll up that data and show it on a map, because we have every location of every permit that's actively going on, along with stuff that's happened in the past. And one of the other things that we're rolling into ELUME is not just joint use projects, but actually engineering projects and vegetation projects. Because what utilities need to do is they need to make a decision, can we do this project now? Is there any other ones actively going on in that area? If so, we need to decide which one we're going to do first. So the power of ELUME is rolling up all of your projects in one place, becoming that one source of truth, so that whether it's a vegetation project, a joint use project, just a regular engineering project, you can easily make decisions of when do you do what.